Dr. Murphy.
Martin Murphy from the Atlantic Council. Foreign Minister, thank you very much for your remarks. Could you brief us on what the position is now in the border dispute with Puntland? What is going on, and how you envisage that dispute being resolved? And also, what are your fears about that as that area as a haven for disruptive actors?
The issue between Somaliland and Puntland is about people who ethnically or in terms of clan related to the Puntland, but they live traditionally in Somaliland. So we're talking about a district that is within Somaliland, but is inhabited by people who ethnically related to Puntland people. That's the basis of the issue. Puntland, we can understand that Puntland wants for those people to be treated well, to be integrated into the system, which is what Somaliland wants. But we have been engaging with those communities in those regions, and the President Silayo has offered a peaceful reconciliation process for the people, and they have been engaging well with our government, and as a result of that, like the conference of Woodward, which was this year, has provided a lot of opportunity for people on both sides to discuss about resolving those issues in a peaceful way. We don't actually think Puntland and Somaliland will go into war on that issue. We really don't think, and definitely that's not the intention of my government. We think we can resolve those issues peacefully. It is about people who are part of Somaliland but ethnically related to Puntland. We think we have people in Ethiopia who are ethnically related to us, and we have people who live in Kenya that are ethnically related to Somaliland. We're not laying claims on those territories, and we think that Puntland will realize that they will not. It will not be wise for them to lay a claim on part of Somaliland. But we are happy to discuss with them on if there are any other issues, because we can cooperate on security, on lack of security. We can cooperate on piracy. There are so many other issues we can talk and discuss. But there is another dimension to this problem, which is about a group called SSE. This is a group of mainly from the diaspora, in fact mainly from the United States of America, who are actually having a cause for concern for both of us, for Puntland and Somaliland, but also we think this group have links with the radical groups in the region. They have been bringing weapons and arms into the border between Puntland and Somaliland, and they have been attacking and killing some citizens in the region. And we are currently cooperating with a number of other governments in the region in order to have a common approach of dealing with SSE. So these things are distinctive. We are engaged in a peaceful negotiation with Puntland on any issues they feel that needs to be discussed. We are talking with our people in our country that feel that ethnically related to the Puntland. But we don't want to talk to the SSE. We want to cooperate with other countries in a way that we can effectively eliminate or reduce the risk that they are posing currently to us.
Ambalianu le na hai,